In this tutorial, we will make this same type of Google business profile in just few easy steps. Whenever someone will search your company or business, Google will show this type of profile includes your company name, address, phone number, and your website. And these all details. So to make this Google business profile, firstly, open Google and search for Google Business Profile. If you scroll down, you will see here Google Business Profile get listed on Google. Open it. So here we have to make a new profile. So we will click on sign in and it will show you window like this. Now here you have to write your business name here. So I will write Amjad Technical Works. So after writing my business name, it will show you this drop down option, create a business with this name. So I will select this and click on continue. So now here you have to choose your business type. So my business is related to service business. So I will check this. You can check according to your business and click on next. And here you have to write your business category. So I will write construction company. Now here you have to write your address, where your business provide deliveries or home and office visits, and this will appear on your business profile. So I will write my own and click on next. Now here you have to write your phone number and this website option is optional, but if you want instant approval from Google, you should have website. So I will write my company website here, which is Amjad TechWorks, and click on next. Then it will show you this window. You can read this and click on this check and continue. So here you have to write your exact address of your business, choose region and click on next, and then it will show you that you are now verified. Click on next. So now here you have to add your services here. It already gave us so many options according to our business type. So I will select some of these that's related to my business. And you can also write custom services. Like if you scroll down, you will see here add custom service. Click on that and I will write like painting services, tiling service and many more. Then simply click on next. And here you have to add your business hours. You can set according to your business. Click on next. And here make sure to on this accept messages options so customers can message your business on Google for free, and click on next. Now here you have to add business description. Next. Now here we will add some photos from our previous projects that will help us to make our Google business profile look more professional and clean. Click on add photos, browse, select photos and open. Next. And here it will give you free 1600 AED for Google Ads. You can simply claim it if you want. Click on claim your credit and Google Ads window will open. If you are not interested, you can simply skip this. Continue. So as you can see, our Google business profile is ready. It's showing our number, our business hours, our business name, our service area, and here it will show our reviews. You can also fill these options to make your profile more professional. That helps Google to show your profile on the first page. After refresh, it will show you this window. If you click on this edit profile, it will give you so many options here like edit profile, read reviews, messages, add photos, performance, advertise and many more. And it will show on Google whenever someone search your business name on Google like this. You can check these all options to customize it. So that's how you can make Google business profile in just few easy steps.